To use the Kraken trading bot, you first need to create an account on the Kraken exchange and enable the Kraken API. This will allow the bot to access your account and execute trades on your behalf. After creating your account, go to the account settings and click on API keys. Then generate a new key and save it securely. Next, you need to choose a trading bot platform that supports Kraken, such as Crypto Hopper or 3 Commas. Create an account on the platform and connect it to your Kraken account using the API key you generated earlier. This will allow the bot to access your Kraken account and start trading. Now, you need to configure the trading bot by setting the trading pair, the trading strategy, and the risk management parameters. For example, you can set the bot to trade Bitcoin and US dollars using a strategy such as trend following or mean reversion. You also need to set the risk management parameters, such as the position size and the stop loss level. After configuring the bot, you need to backtest it using historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This will help you to evaluate the performance of the bot and make any necessary adjustments to the strategy or risk management parameters. Once you are satisfied with the performance of the bot, you can deploy it and let it start trading on your behalf. It is essential to monitor the performance of the bot regularly and make any necessary adjustments to the strategy or risk management parameters to ensure that it continues to perform well. It is also important to note that using a trading bot carries risks, such as market volatility and technical issues, and you should only use it with money that you can afford to lose. Additionally, you should always follow best practices, such as diversifying your portfolio and using risk management techniques to minimize your losses and maximize your gains.